Ugh, I hate school.
Same. Well, we only have a few more years left to this.
Yeah, but what about college? That's another 4 years of school.
Well, you can work as a manufacturer.
Yeah, there's one of those places around here. It's called FabCon. My dad works there.
This sounds good. I don't think you're going to do 4 years of this after high school.
Maybe your dad can give us a tour.
Yeah, let's go.
Hi, I'm Stacy. Welcome to FabCon.
So what happens at FabCon? They manufacture precast concrete wall panels for all types of buildings like the one shown here. Come on this video adventure with us to see how it is done. Meet some employees along the way.
I'm Mike Mazalusky. I'm the third shift production supervisor. I'm a 1990 graduate of Mahanoy area. After high school, I went on to welding school to become a certified welder. Went back to school, trade school. That led me to this opportunity.
What skills do you need to perform in your job?
I do a lot of fishing work, so I need to work with power tools, communication. I sandblast, I have to pay attention to what I'm doing. I learn different blueprints, different jigs, pay attention to how the panels are made so I can do the best job.
Why is manufacturing so important to our community?
Because it will hopefully help grow our community and let people know that there's jobs out there that they can make a living at and stay in our community.
Did you grow up thinking you were going to be part of the manufacturing community?
I had always grown up hoping to be in some kind of construction. It was always in my family's job past to be in construction, doing home repairs, construction, plumbing, stuff like that. So I'd always hoped to be in some kind of construction, and this type of manufacturing is a really good fit for me.
My family was mainly in nursing. That made me want to be an x-ray technician actually, but coming out of high school there was opportunity for manufacturing, so that's the route that I went.
That's a wrap. Thanks for watching.